Refrigeration HVAC exam practice question set number 15. When pulling a vacuum, micron level rises and maintains 5,000 microns. Answer: moisture is present. Number 2. Piping in arena floor, center to center distance. Answer: 4 inches. Number 3. When installing open case refrigerator, what is considered? Answer: grills must be clear to allow airflow. 4. Temperature of hot surface igniter. Answer: 2000 Fahrenheit. 5. Humidifier begins to operate on. Answer: decrease in grains of moisture. 6. VAB box not controlling. Problem is. Answer: open temperature sensor. 7. Long-term replacement of CFC 12. Answer: HFC 134A. 8. Refrigerant slugging is a result of. Answer: overcharging of capillary tube system. 9. Crankcase pressure regulating valve is adjusted. Answer: according to compressor nameplate amperage during hot pull down. 10. Location of TXV valve. Answer: suction line at evaporator outlet, upstream before of external equalizing line. 11. Correct mounting procedure of TXV element valve. Answer: clean suction tubing, secure with similar metal clamp, and insulate. 12. Purpose of evaporator fan delay after defrost. Answer: allow moisture to drip off the coil. 13. Device in time clock that causes defrost to end before its time. Answer: defrost termination solenoid. 14. Component required with hot gas bypass suction line feed. Answer: the superheating valve. Okay, that's the last question. Hope you learned something from this video. Share knowledge, help people. Remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said, it is more blessed to give than to receive. Cheers and have a good one.